Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some little bath bomb gifts. These little bath bomb gifts are ideal for children's party bags because it's just like 3 small bath bombs. Now what I've done, I've got a bit of cellophane here, over 5 cut. So if you're not sure on how much cellophane that you need, if you just put your bath bombs on the cellophane like that, then you can gauge how much that you sort of need. So I'm just going to cut down this bit like this, right across with these scissors. Like that. And then the next thing we're going to do, we're just going to roll them all up together like this. Like that. That's good. And just a little bit of sellotape on there. So we've got a nice tube. Then we'll get some tie tape. I'm going to sort of make it into a cracker now. So we've got a tie tape round like that. I'm just going to tie that into a knot. Then we'll do again this same side. And it holds it really nice and tight once you've done that, like that. I mean, this bit is rather long, so I probably will just trim that little bit down like this. And then we get our scissors, and the edge of the scissors, we're just going to pull it down by the ribbon like this. And it gives it a nice curl. Like that. So that just makes a lovely little gift. You're going to put it in a child's party bag, or a sleepover, and you've got something to have. Okay. So my next one is a little bit bigger. This one is going to have 5 in, but we're working on the same principle of what we've just done. But this time I'm going to turn it round so it's longer. That little terror's getting away, I can see that one there. That's it. So I'm just going to have a little trim this side. I'm just going to put that in there. We're just going to roll all this up here like this. Very similar. A little bit of sellotape on there. Going to get more tie tape. This time I've chosen pink. Again, I'm going to put that underneath the cellophane. And we're just going to try to tie this into a knot. Like that. We're going to do again the same on the other side. Just put it down like that. Well, you have to say they do look nice, don't they? We're going to just curl these. If you think that this little bit here is too long, I'll just trim it off like this. As you can see, we've got 2 different sizes. Both make lovely presents. Now I'm going to show you how to wrap it in a different way, which is not a cracker. So what I'm going to do now, I've got the cellophane. I'm going to put these sort of in the middle of the cellophane. We're going to have rows of 3. We're going to try to make more of a bag this time. Okay, so I'm going to bring this cellophane up like this. And then with this side, I'm just going to trim it because I think there's a lot of cellophane at both ends. So we're just going to take the scissors up there. Then I'm going to fold this bit over like this. I'm just going to put a bit of sellotape on there like that, and a little bit on the bottom. And again, I'm just going to trim this little bit of cellophane here. Just going to push the scissors all the way up. Like this. I'm going to hold that there. pull that tight, so I'm just going to take that bit over there like that. So then we've got like that, look. So it's a nice little bag at the front. So what I'm going to do now is get some tie tape and put it around there. I'm going to get a little bit of ribbon just to make that a little bit nicer. Obviously this is our cardigan, and I'm going to cut a rectangular shape, which is what I've already cheated with. So I'm going to just attach this to my gift bag, put it through there. So this way you can put your own little message on there, or if it's for a party or a wedding favour. You can change the colour of the ribbons to suit your event. And we just trim off the top. And there we go. That's just a different way to wrap it.